2012, I'm observing this. He's writing every book with different girl, every different
A
girl.
lot of those
This
girls
girl,
don't even
this
know they
girl.
are my co.
I hope you are not following him.
I am following him. I am following him.
He means Twitter.
So I wrote my first 5 books with co-authors, and after that I've been writing alone. So please give me some credit for that. but I have not been in a relationship with all of those girls, but a few of them.
What about Nitika? Nitika Rustagi. She was very beautiful.
You're mixing up two names. I wish they were that mixed up. You said Nitika Rastagi. That is like 3 different names.
Whosoever she was very beautiful. Very beautiful.
I'll put you in touch with her.
Please, please, please.
I can completely understand your emotions.
Acha, I have a request. Like, if we can click a selfie with you people.
After this thing gets over.
Pakka. Thank you.
Sure. Okay. We'll go to him and then we'll come to you.
Okay, sir. I don't really have any question about anything. I just
आप
want.
बैठ जाओ फिर.
Please listen,
Question नहीं allowed नहीं है फिर.
sir. I just wanted to a action. I just wanted to do an action here.
यहाँ पे
नहीं,
कौन सी
किताब है ये,
action
फिल्म
है?
थोड़ी ना तू एक्शन
Suddenly
करेगा.
become comedy nights with Kapil.
Devoted to Durjay, sir.
हाँ, एक्शन करोगे आप इनको.
Sir, that's for your book. It's not. If it's not love, it's not forever.
You got the title wrong, but I get it. So thank you so much. Thank you.
क्या करूँ सर, आपको देख के अच्छे भूल जाते होंगे.
Why are all the guys saying?
I
all
have
this?
no idea.
But see, the thing is,
I think I'm getting my audience
Did you realize
wrong.
I didn't even say anything.
your
I was
next
quiet.
question is also a gentleman sitting right there.
Why are the girls not asking any question?
Then we have a lady there in the corner.
Hi,
I
lady.
promise, after this, we are going to her. So
I'm just a little thing.
A slightly more serious question.
Yes.
Single line, single line.
after we're done.
As
sorry.
English authors, is the Indian market as serious as, let's say, a US or a English market, England market, UK market? I mean, we have a very big English-speaking population, but is the market serious enough in terms of not just the people reading it, in terms of the, let's say, for example, the publishers or the people who are behind your work?
I think our publishers are very serious about their work, and the market has always been there, and it will continue to be there. It's just that, as you say, that there's a huge English-speaking population, but it's not necessarily that they pick up books and read. So the reading habit is not much there. So it has to be cultivated, and it can only happen through events like these, where authors come out and talk to their people, and there might be a few people who have not read any of our books, and if we talk about our books, maybe they'll pick up one, or maybe they'll not pick up our books, but maybe they'll come to all these racks and pick up some other book. So we have to cultivate that habit here. So that's why we have all those book fairs and things like that keep happening, for people who are not into reading. So we have to slowly and steadily push them into reading, because there are so many distractions these days, and India not being a matured reading population, we have to push them into reading a lot of more books. So yeah.
Okay. We have a question from the girl there. She's been waiting for a while, and then the gentleman sitting next to her, one person away. So,
My question is for Durjoy, sir. So I'm a big fan of
Calling
yours.
me sir.
he feels very old. Don't do that.
You
Call
are
him
a
Bhaiya.
Call me a
you,
senior
you
today.
are a senior anyways.
Call him Bhaiya. Call him
He is
Durjoy
a senior.
That
Bhaiya.
I can't.
I think I'll have to leave right now.
No, that I can't. Okay. My question is that you have written in serials like Sadda Haq and Veera, which are really, really big hit. So when are you planning to write in movies?
There is a lot of talk happening, but I'm not ready to sleep with producers to get my.
Whose name were you wanting to
I'm
take?
just kidding. I'm just kidding.
they will
But
be
getting
a
a
well
getting a
big hit.
movie made is really really tough, and I'm still working on it. And because I have not written a lot of scripts, movie scripts as such, and I like writing books so much. So the minute somebody says that I really like your story idea, why don't you write a script? I'm like, this is way too much work for me. I would rather write a book. And people in the film industry don't really read books, so they haven't really gone through the pain of reading a book of mine and then say that we'll get a scriptwriter on board and he'll write a book on it. So I'll have to do that exercise of writing a entire screenplay on my book, and I haven't got the time to do that yet.
Okay.
So yeah.
Soon. He will do it soon. The gentleman next to you, to the left, and then we'll come this side. Sorry.
Hello.
Hi.
Hello, Aryan. I'm big fan of yours from Yaran
Arya,
Mulle.
Arya.
अरे वाह
Arya.
Thank you.
पंजाबी हैगा
Okay.
Punjabi
Aryan,
है?
Aryan. Yeah. Me also Punjabi वैसे.
हाँ फिर दस भाई की हाल है
बढ़िया जी तुम सुनाओ.
कैम है भाई इधर स्टेज
अच्छा.
तक मजे कर रहे
Can
हैं
I ask you a question in Punjabi?
हाँ
ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਫੈਨੀ ਬੜੀ
हाँ पंजाबी च गल कर ले मैंने कोई प्रॉब्लम
ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਯਾਰਨ ਮੁੱਲੇ ਮੂਵੀ ਸੀ ਬਹੁਤ
ਹਾਂ।
ਵਧੀਆ ਲੱਗੀ ਸੀ ਤਾਂ ਉਸ ਤੋਂ ਹੀ ਇੱਕ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਪੁੱਛਦਾ ਕਿ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਵੀ ਕਦੇ
यार तू फिल्म ਦਾ क्वेश्चन ਇੱਧਰ ਕਿਉਂ ਪੁੱਛ ਰਿਹਾ ਹੈ ਇੱਧਰ
ਨਹੀਂ
ਤਾਂ
ਨਹੀਂ
ਕਿਤਾਬ
ਨਹੀਂ
ਦਾ
ਤੁਹਾਡੀ
ਕੰਮ
ਲਾਈਫ
ਕਰ
ਨਾਲ
ਰਿਹਾ।
ਜੁੜਿਆ ਹੈ
ਅੱਛਾ ਮੇਰੇ ਲਾਈਫ ਨਾਲ ਜੁੜਿਆ
मतलब have you ever see faced any girl like Priyanka like she did in with Tinka Jet in movie and my second question is have you ever thought about writing a book on Yaran Mulle also or not like friendship and all my two questions are there.
My next book obviously deals with friendship, and every book somewhere down the line, I think friendships, whatever, be it a male and two guys friendship, or even a guy or a girl friendship, it deals with that. Be it their books or be it my book also. My fiance, me, and I beeped up. So yes, important ਤੇ ਹੈਗਾ ਯਾਰ ਦੋਸਤੀ ਦੇ ਇਲਾਵਾ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਨਹੀਂ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਸਟੋਰੀ ਅਸੀਂ ਲਿਖ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਾਂ. So that is there. So yeah.
Okay. The girls, both of you here. Sure. Go
Oh,
ahead.
please
Then we'll
ask.
come here. Go ahead.
My question is for the Joy. I mean, every title of your book, there's a title and there is a subtitle. Like, of course, I love you till I find someone better. Or she broke up, I didn't. I just kissed another girl. So they are very innovative in itself. So how do you choose them? I mean, every title is like that. So
See, I started writing my books, my titles in that sense where I was young. My first book, when it was published, I was like 21. So I used to be like really cocky, and I thought that I can get away with writing these titles that are like somewhat funny. So I started with that, but then I got like then I was stuck with titles that were not funny at all. Like, of course, I love you till I find someone better. Now that you're rich, they were still funny. But then I got to this title, which was She Broke Up, I Didn't, I Just Kissed Someone Else, which was like not funny. It's like okay-ish. So that's when I stopped keeping those titles and I got to like conventional titles with like 4 or 5 words. But earlier I thought that who the hell cares? Like I can keep anything as a title. So I started with that, and now I'm like keeping boring names like World's Best Boyfriend. Like who cares? so, yeah,
Okay. Just
100 copies to her.
Question. Yeah.
I'm a huge fan of yours, The Joy. Why did you choose romance as your genre?
That's the only thing I understood. and it's not that I haven't tried in other genres, writing in other genres, and they are like shitty. that's I've tried writing a fantasy novel because I'm a big fan of the Lord of the Rings and Harry Potter and all of that, but they do not turn out well. So romance is the only thing that I understand. Being in and out of love for so many years. So that's the only thing I understand. That's why I write about it.
One more question.
Yeah.
Give us an insight about your new book. We're all really curious.
See, it's not a quintessential Durjoy book where the girl is perfect, the guy is perfect, they just have to meet and whatever, go on with their love story. It's about a couple who should not be together, but they would not rather be with somebody else too. So it's a little screwed up. And if you do, I did a control H on my book and see how angry that book is. I've used the word beep about 250 times. So it's a really angry book, and I just hope you guys like it. It's a little different from the usual fare that I write.
Hi, I'm a mother.
I just did not say what I said. My book is
It's
about
okay.
how kids
When I
prepare for
came-
their 12th class board examinations.
I just don't mind. She just told me a lot about you, and she was saying that you have done engineering. That's what she also wants to do, and she also wants to write. So I'm just asking, can she do the both thing like you?
Yeah, they can. See, the only preparation you need to do when you want to be a writer is to read more books, which you can obviously do while you're doing engineering. Because if you're doing engineering, and you'll be foolish to prepare for any exam for like more than 3 or 4 hours. So if you need more than 3 and 4 hours, you're probably extremely dumb. So if you're an engineer, you can probably do anything in your life because you were probably forced to, yeah, because you were probably, asked to do engineering when you were in your 10th. And, how can you expect somebody who's 15 or 16 to choose their career option?
I'll jump in on that. इनका सक्सेस देख के बिल्कुल भेज दो. पक्का सक्सेसफुल राइटर्स बन जाएंगे, engineers नहीं बने तो. Sure, absolutely. They're perfect examples of that. I saw hands over there and then there. Okay, so we'll go this side and I'll come back to you.
Hi there, Joy.
Hi.
Oh, I missed you.
Have we been together like
I
when
met
I was
you at
like
Delhi
15
launch.
and I don't remember?
I met you at Delhi launch last year.
Oh.
I touched your dimple.
Okay. Yeah.
I remember that dimple too.
Okay.
Sorry. I just want to ask that you have been in a relationship for so long, and we all know that. So when are you getting married? Like any plans for
I'm
marriage?
like 21, dude. I don't think it's even legal to get me married off so early. So there's still time.
Okay, next question. Oh, one more question. Why you're so hot?
I'm sure that's directed towards Arya.
No, for you. No, for you.
But yeah, it's probably because of the lights.
Okay, we had a question there. Yeah, the gentleman there.
I just wanted to ask you guys, like, in today's generation, do you believe perfect love exists, a perfect relationship?
I think it exists. It all depends. You need to meet that perfect person. Like relationships are perfect. People are not perfect. So you need to meet that person with whom you have the same compatibility.
Yeah,
It's
I guess.
difficult, but then yes.
Yeah, how much you can adjust, how much do you actually desire to make it work?
I have a question for Sudeep, sir. As I think you know me.
I don't know why these people call us sir.
Okay, Sudeep. I need to ask a question to Sudeep. Now, is it okay?
Yeah.
So, I'm waiting for your 6th novel. I have gone through with your all novels. Even जो भी मैं नया ऑफिस ज्वाइन करती हूँ, अभी मैंने एजिस ज्वाइन किया है, तो फर्स्ट इंडक्शन होता है हमारा, तो मैं सबसे पहले आपके बारे में बताती हूँ. वो पूछते हैं कि ऐसा क्या है सुदीप सर में.
Tell them to buy the books or not.
Yes.
That is the main question.
Even my trainer is sitting with me. You can ask to him also. तो मैं क्या करती हूँ, ये नहीं कहती कि खरीदो, मैं कहती हूँ ठीक है मैं ऑर्डर कर देती हूँ, मैं लेके आ जाऊँगी and you just go with the books. So now I just want to confirm from you because मुझे अभी 6 novel कब तक मिल जाएगी, क्योंकि मैं बहुत पढ़ चुकी हूँ, 3 बार 4 बार 5 बार सारी पढ़ ली मैंने.
It's too early yet. I would have written it, but then this incident happened, and
yes,
it's
I know.
like I would have written it otherwise. But then I don't think so. There are other commitments also. Like I'm working for even I've written a movie, so which is about to release in December.
Okay,
So
that's
wo
it.
bhi hai, and there are many other things that are coming up. So probably till December or November you should not expect. And it's
Just
hardly
putting it out there, 24th April, my book is coming out. Just like that.
ठीक है, I can try for that.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah. Hi, Sudeep. Here.
Ah.
Yeah. First of all, I would like to say I'm a truly huge fan of yours. And I'm Prerna Baheti. If you remember, I'm that Twitter follower who actually
Who
criticized
keeps
Twitter.
on messaging.
Yeah, who keeps on messaging.
See,
and
I
who
just
keeps
told I
on-
remember.
And who keeps on criticizing Twitter that it has a prescribed word limit.
Okay,
So
criticizing
I cannot...
Twitter. I thought you were criticizing.
No,
me.
no, I can never. No, not at all. So my question to you is, do you really think that it is possible to forget your first love and move on in your life? Or you think that even if you move on, then you still at some or the other point of time get hooked up to the feelings that you had once in your past?
No, what I feel, what I have witnessed, what I have felt is like every person comes in your life and takes you closer to your destination. He or she plays her part and departs. It's all about moving on. You just go on crying about it. That is what I personally feel.
Okay, thank you so much.
Yeah.
I had a question, just very here.
Okay.
I'm here. Okay.
So that's the second last question, and then we have one last on the corner there. I'm so sorry, we'd have to wrap up. If you have any questions, hound them after this gets over. I promise they're not going to be able to run away or roller skate away. So
Okay.
we're going to...
Yeah. So it's probably a question that you probably, a lot of people would have asked you, and it's for all of you here. The kind of literature that you write, it's a very recent thing. That's not probably you sort of started reading, and you've grown up reading that. So I just want to know, A, who's your audience, he of course started writing because it was not, he didn't think that it's going to get published or something. It's just that he started writing and it got published. But I just want to know, like, who's your audience and who was your inspiration when you started writing? I mean, I'd really like to know that. Thank you.
Do you want all three of them to answer that? Yeah. Any two? Okay, volunteer. Oh, okay, okay. Oh, very demanding. See, girls are very demanding.
So despite everything that I belong to a Bengali household, so you are not fed till the time you read a book. So and you'd be surprised, but I was in 7th or 8th when my parents shoved down the satanic verses down my throat, and I did not get a word of it. So I had always been around books, but I never thought that I could write a book myself. And you know, I had a blog which had a decent following. So, and people started telling me that, you know, why don't you try writing a book? And I was like, you know, I might not have an audience, but but they started telling me that you have an audience online, you might find an audience. And that's why, you know, it started with that confidence that maybe, you know, there are people who want to read about us. So that's why I started writing, and I had absolutely no expectations from the book. I just wrote the book because I wanted to write the book, and the book incidentally worked. In fact, when my first book came out, I did not even tell my parents that, you know, the book is coming out. They realized it after 3 or 4 months. They do not live in India, so they came back, and a family friend told them that there's this Durjoy Datta who's writing this book. Your son is writing them, right? And they came back to me and told me, no, koi dusra Durjoy Datta hoga. But then they eventually found the book, and they saw my picture, and it was unmistakable. They knew that it was their son. So that's how it all started, and that's when, you know, I got a little addicted to the fact that you could, you know, actually put out a story and people could actually feel the story and, you know, come back to you and tell you that, you know, it was a nice story, why don't you write more? I got addicted to that feeling, and that's why I, you know, kept on writing. So yeah.
Sudeep, do you want to answer it?
Yeah, like he said that even I didn't want to be an author, but then as I was in engineering, and I never wanted to do engineering in the first run. I wanted to do BMS, and I got very good college in Bombay. I had an admission in that, but then my parents said, no, you have to do engineering, and then I landed up doing engineering. Probably it was one of the worst colleges in Mumbai, so it was a torture for me, and I was into electronics field, so you don't get pretty girls after first year in electronics. So whatever chance I had in the first year itself. So I took the optimum use of that sources, and I had a girlfriend in the first year. But then eventually I broke up, and the cherry on the cake was like next year I had a drop also, year drop also in engineering. So it was like depression के ऊपर और एक depression आया था मेरे ऊपर, and I was like कि I literally locked myself in a room, and I was like, I don't want to face my friends, I don't want to face anyone, and I don't know how I'm going to cope with this situation. And forget about one, I had 2 drops in engineering, couple of drops, and that 2 consecutive ones. So it was very difficult for me at that time, and I really wanted to throw this frustration somewhere, and it came out of writing. I started writing my personal diary, and one of my friend happened to read this diary of mine when we were partying at my home. और हम लोग मतलब घर पे कोई नहीं था, तो उस टाइम पे कैसे पार्टी चलती, you know. तो उस टाइम पे this friend happened to read this diary of mine, and he told me, dude, why don't you give it a serious chance of publishing it? And I was literally staring at him for 2 minutes, and I was like कि भाई तेरे को शायद थोड़ा ज़्यादा हो गया, कल सुबह बात करते. It's not gonna happen. Means first of all, I never wanted to do engineering, and now I'm gonna tell my parents that engineering भाड़ में गई, and now I want to become an author. So they would have kicked me out of my house. But then this friend of mine was so curious about it that no, you have to publish it. So for him, I published my first book, Few Things Left Unsaid, and it did well. So eventually I developed the passion of writing, and I realized that probably this is what I want to do. Probably if I would have been in an IT company, and if I would have been told to tour for 4 to 5 cities in 1 month, I would have told them that, dude, I'm not going to do this. But then when I'm into my book promotions, I do that very happily. Like my leg is injured, still I'm over here. So it's like more of a passion for me now. So that is how it generally happened.
Okay.
Well, with me, what happened was I had this idea of this particular book since almost 2012. And I wanted to write, but I was not getting the right time to write it, blah, blah, everything. And as I said, jaundice happened to me. And a friend of mine knew about the idea and she
For
got
a
after
moment,
my
I
life.
thought jaundice.
Well, a friend of mine actually got after my life and she said, write, you're not doing anything and that is a fantastic idea, just write. So I was like, okay, let's start writing. So I did. And while writing it, I shared it with my friends, the bouncing boards, this and that. I did not know that there was this one friend of mine after I finished the book who got in touch with Vaishali, who is the editor of Penguin. Where she went? Yeah, she keeps changing places. Anyways, Vaishali. So Vaishali, suddenly she got in touch with her and she called me up and said that, you know, I have fixed up, you know, this connection with Vaishali and you sent the manuscript to her. So, Vaishali was thinking it must be some kind of memo, it's an actor, क्या लिखेगा कैसे एक्टर बनते हैं बॉलीवुड की क्या कहानी but this book is not at all connected to Bollywood, it's not connected to anything that is a struggle for Bollywood or anything like an actor or stuff